birthday mother.
Oh, okay. So it's her birthday and they're doing very good deed today. So they're going to release those fishes into the big river.
My mom is 69 years old.
69 years old.
Really fish is 69.
Oh, so her mom over here is 69 years old and they are going to release 69 fishes.
Yes.
So it's pure humanity. So they are being released, rescued, and they will enjoy every day here with a lot of people feeding them. Look at their last scary moments, so they will feel lucky as they are released in the river soon. Let's release 69 fishes into the river. So lucky them. Okay, sure. Okay, we are releasing the fishes into the river now. Praying for releasing. Many compassionate people coming here to feed the fishes. How lucky those fishes are around here. So you bring this from market? Market. Yeah, let's release the fishes.
แม่จ๋าแม่จับแม่ก้มตัวจับนิดนึงอย่าเข้านะเอามือจับเบิ่งนะคะเบิ่งนะโอเค
Hey, bye bye. Have a nice day.
แม่เอาอันนั้นมาดูใส่
Yeah, so we released the fishes into the river. It's empty now. Lucky them. Spared.
ค่ะ
And then the food. Happy birthday to you. Look at that, how excited they seem to be. And the freedom of these fishes that we just released on her 69th birthday. 69 fishes. Yeah guys, let's feed the fishes now. I have the food for them over here and I'm going to feed them. So look at how excited they seem to be. Wow. Amazing it is, right? So lucky. so big. Yeah guys, that's it for today. I think I need to head back now. So my visit here was not intentional, but somehow I found this place and yeah, it's good. Like, everyone comes here to feed the fishes, do good things, and like they believe in good deeds out here. So not everyone likes eating fish, but some likes releasing fish, as you just saw earlier. So let's head back now. Goodbye to this place, goodbye to this river.